Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So as promised, I'm here to review the newly launched Inside Cosmetics Ultra Smooth Lipstick. I picked up 3 shades for my brown skin and let's see whether these 3 shades are suitable for my NC42 skin or not. And if you're somewhere close around to my skin tone, I think you can take me as your shade reference. And now without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the video. So let's have a look at the packaging. That's how it looks like. Comes in a very beautiful metallic navy blue packaging. On the top you'll find the shade name and the number, and on the face of the packaging you'll see it's mentioned Inside Professional Ultra Smooth Lipstick, which is infused with rice bran butter and vitamin E to keep our lips hydrated and moisturized. On the back of the packaging you'll find the rest of the details, and you get 3.8 grams of product for the price of rupees 245 each, and you get 12 shades to pick from. And these lipstick are completely toxic free, 100% vegan, cruelty free, and it is dermatologically tested. And if you know that Inside Cosmetics is completely FDA approved brand. Alright, so now let's have a look at the inner packaging. That's how actually it looks like. Comes in a very beautiful metallic flashy packaging with such kind of geometrical design on it, and it comes in dual color, which is really very attractive and it is really very eye-catching. If you keep it on your vanity, it is going to steal all the show according to me. Now you'll find the shade name and the number on top of the packaging, and on the bottom you'll find the brand name. The cap of this lipstick has a magnetic closure, so you just have to slide and it gets closed all by itself. It is quite secure, and even if I shake it, it does not come off. So if you want to travel with it, you can definitely go ahead and do so, because the cap is not going to come off and it is not going to create any mess. That's how the bullet actually looks like, which even looks very beautiful. And now is the time to share my final thoughts, because I have been trying out these lipsticks for past 2 days since the time I received it. The fragrance of these lipsticks are very tempting. It actually feels like having a 5-star chocolate, which does not linger on your lips, but you can sense the fragrance in the bullet. Coming to the formulation, it's actually smooth, buttery, applies like a dream, and one swipe you get that pigmentation. You do not have to go over and over to get the pigmentation on your lips. In one swipe it did cover my dark pigmented lips just in a go. I have one of the shade on my lips today and it feels ultra lightweight, very much comfortable. It is not a flat dry matte kind of texture, but feels really velvety on the lips, and it does not even get settled on my lip lines. Feels very much hydrating and moisturizing, does not tug and pull while you are applying these lipsticks. However, if you are someone who suffers from dry, chappy, flaky lips, I would always suggest you that exfoliate and prep your lips really well. If you want, you can even go with a very light layer of a lip balm and then apply these lipstick to give you an extra layer of hydration and moisturization. Now out of these 3 shades that I have tried, I can say one of the shade Belief, which looks something like this. It is a very beautiful classic rosy pink color. It has a little bit of thick texture which tugs and pulls while I am applying, so maybe it is like if I pass the first layer of it, then it might get a little more smoother, and it is not major of a problem, but I really wanted to point you guys. Now Inside Cosmetic haven't claimed whether this lipstick is transfer proof or transfer resistant, but I can say that once the lipstick is set, it becomes kind of transfer proof. Let me just show you. So you can see there is very minimal transfer, but I have noticed while having my heavy meals, oily food, it did come off from the inner part of my lips, and my glass did stain ever so slightly. And also it is completely a non-drying and non-sticky formulation. It does not stick my lips together. All the 12 shades that I saw on Nykaa's app, I feel they are meant for Indian skin tone, and these 3 shades that I picked up for my brown skin, they are just gorgeous. They just brighten up your entire look. This shade I thought will look very dead once I apply, but look at it, how gorgeous, how beautiful it looks. And I think these lipstick will be quite long wearing if you're not eating or drinking anything, if you're going out for few hours, and if you want to wear this lipstick, it is going to stay well on you. But yes, if you're having any meals, it is going to make an impact. It comes off very easily just with a single swipe of your micellar water or your wet wipe, and even after removal of these lipstick, I haven't noticed any kind of dryness or any kind of irritation on my lips. And now let's have a look at the swatches. If you have been watching me for quite a while, you know what happens in my swatch video. I always give swatches on my bare skin and with full glam makeup on, so that you can have a fair idea how actually the shade looks in itself. Now these three shades are going to vary on different skin tone. If you're light to medium, it is going to look differently, and if you're medium to deep, it is going to look differently. So it is all the color theory that goes with the different skin tones. And now, without any more further delay, let's just jump directly into the swatches.
Eternity is a very gorgeous reddish chestnut, or you can say mahogany, with warm neutral undertone, which will complement tan to deep skin tone. Believe is a beautiful classic rosy raspberry pink which has a right amount of depth and is a cool to neutral pink that has slightly bluish base, helps to brighten the complexion. This kind of pink often gives a fresh, youthful and lively appearance while working on medium to deep skin tone. Breathtaking is another gorgeous mauve with rich plum undertone. It sits beautifully between muted wine and rosy purple tones. It has neutral to cool tones that will look flattering on cool, neutral and olive undertones.
And hence these lipstick gets a total thumbs up from my end. I would love to recommend it to all of you. If you're looking out for a good quality budget friendly lipsticks, then you have Inside Cosmetics here. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. And if you like such kind of lipstick swatches, then I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi. And I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.